Welcome back to News Overseas Now. Germany's defense minister said the U.S.'s decision to withdraw 5,000 troops from his country was foreseeable, as the NATO military alliance says it is seeking clarification from Washington. Speaking to the media, he stressed the presence of American soldiers in Europe, and in particular, Germany, is in their interest and in the interest of the U.S. Washington's move comes after President Donald Trump criticized the German chancellor for saying the U.S. had been humiliated by Iranian negotiators in the ongoing war. The U.S. military deployment in Germany, currently at more than 36,000 active duty troops, is by far its biggest in Europe. And the Primetime News package continues with sports right after this break.